Welcome to creating Benco barcodes on desktop for scan ordering. Know that a Benco barcode is not a UPC code. So to get started, you'll need to print Benco barcodes for scan ordering. Scan ordering with mobile devices is supported on iOS devices. If you don't have an iOS device, other Benco approved scanners can be used for integration with desktop ordering. Now let's get started. On the home page, sign in. View your account. Go to Order Management and choose Order Using Barcode Scanner. Scroll to the bottom of the page and choose the I just need to print barcodes tags link. Choose a label paper, then add the 7-digit item number including the dash. Next, you're going to click the green Add Items to Basket button. Repeat the last 2 steps to add more inventory to your tags. When the list is complete, view or print labels, or download as a PDF to print. When your labels load, print them and add to coordinating inventory. Now your system's all set up and you're ready for reordering with Painless Mobile App Scan function or your mobile scanner.